missed it. So
How long before?
it's been 4 years.
4 years before. Okay.
It's good to be back in Lahore. It's one of my favorite cities. And it's been fantastic to be part of this.
And how you experience with interaction with people of Pakistan and Lahore?
It's been excellent. Lahore is a city which is aligned, intelligent, cultural. So I have this.
Also historical city.
And in the city, historical, very important. So, the conversations I have,
Question answer session really good.
very good.
I really enjoy question answer session there.
Yes, precisely because you get listen to such a very, very smart people having they're very engaged. This doesn't happen everywhere. This is a thing that happens only in different places, and Lahore is one of those places.
One thing which you enjoy here in Lahore. One thing.
I can't name just one thing.
Only one thing. Food?
Food is very, very good.
Which food? Biryani? You eat biryani here?
X.
Yes, the Wadi biryani is very good. The architecture is amazing.
And view here, view scenes.
Excellent.
So thank you very much for being with us, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.